Kitchen 101. Here are 2 smart ideas for extending the life and intense flavor of leafy fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, or basil. Pick the leaves off the herbs and spread them out on a microwave-safe plate lined with 2 layers of paper towels. Cover the herbs with a second paper towel and microwave them on high. Hardier herbs like rosemary will require about 1 minute, followed by a few 20-second bursts until they're completely dry. Less time for herbs like parsley. The key is to check them. You'll know they're dry enough if they crumble when you bend them. Then you can store them or grind them into a powder for spice mixes or rubs. The second idea involves ice cube trays. Just take the chopped fresh herb leaves and place them in each cube holder. Add hot water to slightly cover the herbs. The hot water will help them retain their color and flavor. Then pop the tray in the freezer. Once the herbal cubes are frozen, throw them into a freezer bag for storage. The next time you're cooking, just grab some frozen cubes and throw them in the hot pan to melt. Now you've got fresh herbs to get your dish off to a flavorful start. See you next time.